In front of me is Oppo A40 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app to use in this view and accessing it in the background. Then use those three dots at the top right corner and select floating window. Finally, click on this tiny one. As you can see now, I can use my app in this little window. To move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. To use your app in full screen view, click at the top left corner. To make it tiny again, click on Home button. Last but not least, to close your window, you can swipe your app in the background or click on this X at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!